In today's video, I will walk you through how to create an estimate in QuickBooks Online. To begin, simply tap the link in the description to create your account. Start on your QuickBooks Online dashboard. At the top left, click Create, then select Estimate. This opens the estimate form. At the top of the form, select the customer. Confirm that the billing and shipping details are correct. If you need to show or hide fields, use the panel on the right. From there, add or remove fields such as the shipping address, purchase order number, or memo. You can also enable the discount option from the right panel. Once the discount field is visible, enter either a percentage or a flat amount. Then check that the subtotal and total update correctly. Use the same panel to adjust the design of the estimate. Choose a template style, adjust the accent color, add your logo if needed, and change the font size or alignment. Next, add the products and services. In the line items, select the items you're quoting. Enter the description, quantity, and rate for each item. If you charge tax on an item, apply the appropriate tax setting to that line. Review the descriptions, quantities, and prices to make sure they match what you discussed with the customer. As you build the estimate, check the subtotal, discounts, taxes, and total at the bottom of the form. Confirm that the amounts are correct. Review the customer information again. Also confirm any due dates or validity periods you included in the available fields. When everything looks correct, click Review and Send. You'll see a preview of the estimate that the customer will receive. Add a concise message that summarizes the estimate. Include any timelines or details about what's included, then confirm the recipient information. When you're ready, send the estimate. QuickBooks will track the estimate status so you can see when it has been viewed. The estimate is now ready for the customer to review. When you're ready to continue, the next related step is converting an approved estimate into an invoice. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.